This is your guide to building a power outage emergency kit. What happens when the power goes out?
You'll need things like flashlights, first aid, and food ready to go. Being prepared for an electricity emergency is not just wise, it's essential.
This video will walk you through everything you need in your power outage emergency kit, ensuring you're ready for any blackout.
Power outage emergency kit should include 1. Flashlights and extra batteries, vital for navigation and tasks within your darkened home. 2. Portable power banks, to keep your mobile devices charged and maintain communication with the outside world. 3. First aid kit, equipped to handle minor injuries that might occur in the dark. 4. Non-perishable food and water. Foods to buy before a power outage include canned goods, dry snacks, and bottled water, enough for several days. 5. Warm clothing and blankets, especially crucial in a winter power outage survival kit.
6. Essential medication. A week's supply of any prescription medicines you or your family members need. 7.
Coolers and ice, to keep perishable food safe during extended outages. 8. Battery-powered or hand-crank radio, keeps you informed of news and emergency broadcasts. 9. Sanitation supplies, including wet wipes, hand sanitizer, and trash bags.
I've lived in 3 different types of climate, one of them being Florida, and we were always prepared for hurricanes, which evidently happened every year.
The most important item we found to stock up on was water.
You never know how much you need it until you no longer have it.
When the lights go out, here's how to keep safe and comfortable.
1. Assess the situation. Determine whether the outage is limited to your home or is more widespread.
2. Notify your utility company, if the outage isn't already reported. 3.
Keep refrigerators and freezers shut, to preserve food.
3.
An unopened fridge will keep food cold for about 4 hours. A full freezer, for about 48 hours.
4.
Use generators safely. Never operate a generator inside or connect it directly to your home's wiring.
5. Stay informed. Use a battery-powered radio to receive updates.
How do I prepare for a power outage?
Power outages can happen unexpectedly,
especially if you live in an old building.
Preparing for a power outage means thinking ahead. 1. Insulate your home. Keeps it warmer in winter and cooler in summer, mitigating the effects of a power loss. 2. Create an emergency contact list. Include utility providers, medical facilities, and close family members. 3. Learn manual overrides for electronic systems in your home, such as garage doors. We hope you found this video helpful.
If you are looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all of the latest renewable energy options in your area.
The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts.